Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be looking at Dahua's new HDCVI PT camera. Yes, you heard that right. This PT camera, with a brand new design and IP66 rating, is integrated with HDCVI technology, providing you with more affordable surveillance options and a modern style. Let's check it out. Here's the box. On the upper corner, you can see the HDCVI logo. This is so exciting. Let's open it up. Here is the HDCVI PT camera, the first with a weatherproof IP66 rating, making it suitable for outdoor scenarios like public parks. This device offers a tilt of 0 to 90 degrees and a pan of 0 to 355 degrees for full video coverage. Additionally, it's fitted with 4 LED lights featuring smart area lighting technology, which can adjust for brightness and intensity of exposure based on the area's left side and right side for clear, full-color images, even in unusual lighting. The package includes 2 quick installation mounts, an in-ceiling and L-shaped wall mount. Look at how easy it is to install. Also, installation is so much simpler because you can adjust the angle of the camera remotely via the DMSS app. Additionally, you can also adjust it with an XVR. For more information about our HDCVI products, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.